So here's what happened with our Go Discoverer. There's my backing plate, there's the motor, and you can see here all these little green bits, what's left of the motor mount. Now I did have to hack it to get it out, but what you'll see here is basically what's happened is it just chewed that out and broke that. So I'm going to have to get that out and put a new one in there. So I'll show you how we're going to modify that and make it hopefully a lot stronger. So here's our original motor mount out of my spare one. You can see it's fairly flimsy. This is one I downloaded off the net to print, and it's a little bit too big. This is my first original design, which was a little bit big and didn't have the wings on it, but you can see there I've made these areas here a little bit bigger for the wires to go through, because the original has it cut out in, it goes into the side as well, so you need to thread your wires through there. So I made that one and printed it out for a test, because not always your dimensions are always right when you 3D print, so it was a little bit big. So then I come up with this current design here that's got the tabs on it. So what we're going to need to do is reduce these arcs here a bit and make this area here a bit thicker so that we don't get that issue. So let's go back to the original sketch and we'll make these areas here. What do we make those? What do we make those? 14. 14. 14 and 14. So now they're a bit smaller. The holes are right there. That hole there is probably the right size for that. So what we can do now is we'll set that up to there, and what we'll do is we'll press pull that, and we'll make that, we might make that 4mm thick. Okay, so now if we have a look inside there, we should have that a bit smaller and that a little bit thicker. You can see in there that's now 4mm, so if we inspect that and we measure that, we come out there at in that area there at 4mm. We go make 3D print. Right, and we're done with that. We want just all that as a 3D print, and we'll call that version 6. We'll get rid of that. So if we go into 3D objects, there it is, we'll import that. So it's now going to repair it. And there you have it. So we'll turn it over so we can print it properly. 90 degrees. We'll stick it on the deck. And there we have our object, ready to 3D print with a thicker base. So we'll go in and we'll save that as an STL. Yep. That's our STL. So what we'll do, we'll import this into Cura. Mode amount number 6, we'll center that. It's working out what it's doing. Got an hour and 59, so 2 hours printing 4 meters of material, and it's going to cost me 57 cents. So if we have a look here at the layers that we're going to have, that's how it's going to make it. We cut through all the layers, so it's going to be pretty well full on. All good. We'll save that to the SD card, and we are good to go to the printer. There we go. We're away. So there we have it, the new one. It's got a thicker base, smaller pod.